In the small town of Millfield, a group of friends stumbles upon an old mansion rumored to be haunted, enticing them with tales of lost souls and hidden treasures. With a mix of curiosity and trepidation, they decide to explore its creaking halls, unaware of the chilling secrets that await them. As they step inside, the heavy door creaks shut behind them, sealing their fate. With every echoing footstep, the mansion seems to come alive, whispering its dark history while sending chills down their spines. They uncover a diary filled with secrets of sorrow and betrayal, revealing the mansion's former inhabitants. Suddenly, a loud bang reverberates through the halls, heightening their fear as they realize they are not alone. Heart racing, they dash down the corridor, desperate to escape the malevolent presence that seems to be chasing them. Each whisper grows louder, urging them to unveil the mansion's mysteries instead of fleeing. In a fleeting moment of respite, they find a concealed room filled with forgotten treasures, contemplating whether to uncover its secrets or flee before it's too late. The atmosphere shifts as a dark silhouette looms near, reminding them of the dangers that lurk within the mansion's walls.